1, go.
That was terrible.
No, you gotta go that way.
Yeah, look.
Okay, okay. Yes.
Okay, fine. We'll
Do it that way. Go. Yes.
So you can't leap.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh wait, darn it. What did I do wrong? Go. You can go, Paris, behind me. Get ready. Okay, Anna. Jesus.
No,
I know. That's what I know.
And Hannah, you flicked your shoes off. Really.
Yeah. Back over. Back over. Now come over and do the chair.
What was I gonna do?
You gotta turn the bean.
What?
Darn. Action. Walking. Back over. There you go. Get ready. No, yeah, no.
Too bad. Keep going.
Keep going.
Oh, too bad. Come on. That was good.
Action. Okay, this is looking good, people. Wait, Gracie, let me back up. Okay. I need to back up.
Paris before
Yeah.
you.
Get ready.
Do your shoes good, Hannah.
Paris before me. She's coming from the left. Good, perfect, Sarah. Good, Paris. Back handspring. Not too fast. Don't get ahead of yourself. Good.
Wait, John, what do I do after this?
You're good. Yep. Yep. Hannah, behind me. Now scooter, don't go to the scooter. Go past me, Gracie.